Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. Hope you guys are all having a good morning. So we got home at like 2 o'clock this morning. We had this trailer that we just bought. It's new, but it's all dirty from bringing it from the cities. But we picked up the trailer and then we ran over and grabbed this welding table, and this was one of my birthday presents from Heidi. And this is a custom built welding table. And this company here, sorry about that. It's Custom Railings, and it's Tim Ouellette. I think that's how you pronounce his name. But like on his business card, it says call or text, and there's his phone number here. And he's in Princeton, Minnesota. And here's his email. And this guy built some badass tables. This is one of our sponsors here. He custom built this for us, for the shop. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a mag drill. I'll order that today or tomorrow. Get a mag drill here, and then I'll lay out the holes and get it drilled so that I can do a layout on this table. And it's 5 foot wide. 5 foot wide this way, 12 foot long. I mean, it's as big as my trailer. You can't even really tell, but it's a huge table. And it's like 38 inches off the ground. And then I'm gonna set it up so it has wheels on it that I can lift up and drop down with the wheels. And then it's 3/8 inch plate, solid steel top. And I'll do some more videos and whatever when I get this in the shop, get it set up. But I mean, you can see the enormity of this. It's just massive. It's gonna be sweet. But this will be big enough where I could put an actual frame or car or the whole vehicle on top of this thing. He does beautiful work. And that's Tim at Custom Railings. Custom Railings Plus LLC in Princeton, Minnesota. So check him out. Tell him Arco sent you from Minnesota Outlaw Customs. Or Outlaw Edge, the YouTube channel. And this thing is solid I-beam. And you can see the legs are I-beam. And then the main structure is all I-beam. And it's all, it's a layout table, so, you could put a laser on this thing. It's laser straight, so this will be sweet. Anyways, had to show it off. Really excited about getting this. And then what I'll do is, like I said, as soon as I start doing some videos and whatever inside the shop, I'll drop this thing down on the floor and get that frame on top of it and go from there. Show you guys some other videos or whatever. Thanks for watching.